After struggling with Pi-Hole FTL update failures and a completely unresponsive web interface myself, and spending considerable time trying various solutions, I eventually discovered several effective methods that genuinely work, and I will guide you through them right now. This video provides the ultimate Pi-Hole FTL update failed web interface broken fix. First, we tackle issues where the Pi-Hole's core engine, called FTL, might just be stuck or confused. Giving it a fresh start or a quick self-check often clears up small internal problems, allowing your web dashboard to come back to life. Next, we look at the actual Pi-Hole software and its helper programs. Sometimes these get old or become damaged. Updating them all ensures everything is working together smoothly, like giving your car a full service to fix all its little quirks. Then, we consider the Pi-Hole's memory bank, its database. If this storage gets messed up, FTL cannot read your settings or logs, making the whole system fail. Fixing or replacing this database allows Pi-Hole to remember everything again. Finally, we make sure Pi-Hole has the right to use all its files and has all the necessary tools it needs. If permissions are wrong or tools are missing, Pi-Hole simply can't do its job, leading to errors. Getting these rights and tools in order lets Pi-Hole run without trouble.